Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all are fine. Okay. Already we can discuss coordinate geometry. Now exercise 7.3. Already two problems over 7.3. In online, two problems are over already. Now second bit, third problem. Okay. Here k comma k, 2 comma 3 and 4 comma minus 1. These 3 points are given. Now find the value of k. Okay. K value find out here. Okay. Condition given. What is that? These 3 points are collinears. Then find the value of k. Okay. Collinear. Already you know that. Collinear means suppose A, B, C. 3 points. A one point, B second point, C third point. These 3 points are lying same line. Then these 3 points A, B, C are called collinear. So same A, B and C. 3 points are given. These 3 are A, B and C are collinear. Okay. We find K. These 3 points are collinear, then find K. Collinear means these 3 points are lying same line. So 3 points are in line same line means there is no area. That means suppose A, B, C. These type formed 3 points. We form a triangle. A, B, C triangle. So here area is there. So area of the triangle formula already you know in before classes. So area of the triangle means area of the triangle. Triangle, which triangle? ABC. So area of the triangle ABC equal to formula of modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay, modulus close. This is area of the triangle formula. Okay. This area of the triangle here ABC points are in same line. So area of the triangle is 0. So that is equal to 0 when the 3 points are in collinear. So these concept already 2 problems, 2 bits are do it already. So same concept, same model we can do it now. Okay, first K, first point, that is A. Next here write A, K comma K. B, second point 2 comma 3 and C 4 comma minus. These are the given points. Now we write solution given A, K comma K, B 2 comma 3 and C 4 comma minus are collinear. These 3 points are collinear. Okay. We know that concept collinear if the 3 points, the given 3 points, the given 3 points are collinear, then the area of the triangle, then the area of the triangle, then the area of the triangle ABC, triangle ABC is equal to 0. Okay. A, B, C. It is first one KK, the second one 2 comma 3 and third one 4 comma minus. These 3 points are collinear, then the area of the triangle ABC equal to 0. Now we can find area of the triangle. Formula area of the triangle ABC equal to suppose A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3. Then the area of the triangle ABC equal to half modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y3, y1 minus y2, smallest close. This area of the triangle ABC is equal to 0 because already the given points are collinear. So area of the triangle ABC formula this one. So we can equal to that one 0. Now A means x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3. Therefore area of the triangle ABC equal to half into modulus of x1 means k into y2 minus y3. y2 means here 3 minus y3. Already minus is there in formula. Again y3 value minus 1. Next plus x2. x2 means 2. Next y3. y3 means here minus 1 y3 minus formula minus is there, so minus we get. Again y1 value. y1 is equal to k plus x3. x3 value is 4. y1. y1 means k minus y2. y2 means 3. Modulus close. That is the area of the triangle ABC. So of modulus of simplification k into minus of minus into minus plus, that is equal to 3 plus 1. We can write. Next plus 2 minus 1 minus 3. So multiply that one. 2 into minus 1, first one. That is equal to minus 2 plus into minus minus. Directly you write direct minus 2 plus into minus minus 2 into k 2k plus 4 into k, third one 4k plus into minus minus 4 3s are 12. Modulus close. Half into multiplication first term k into 3 plus 1 4. 4 into k 4k minus 2 minus 2k plus 4k minus 12. We simplify now. K value is first you write 4k minus 2k. That means 2k. 2k plus 4k. That is equal to 6k. Adding first k values. Okay, 4k minus 2k means 2k. 2k plus 4k. That is 6k. Next constants minus 2 minus 12. That is equal to minus 40. This is the area of the triangle ABC. Okay, here given concept what? The given points are collinear. The given points are collinear, then the area of the triangle ABC equal to 0. Therefore, now the given points are collinear. Then area of the triangle ABC equal to 0. So area of the triangle ABC equal to some. Therefore, half into modulus of 6k minus 14 equal to 0. Because area of the triangle equal to 0. Therefore, already you got area of the triangle half into modulus of 6k minus 14. So equal to 0. Now simplification. Half is there. Left side, take right side. Here by. So modulus of 1 into modulus of 6k minus 14 equal to 0 into 2. Here by is there. So take right side. That means into. 1 into simplification of 1 into 6k minus 14 equal to 0. Now 6k equal modulus remove here. 6k equal to minus 14 take left right side plus 14. 6k equal to 14 means k equal to how much? 14 by 6. Now simplification. 2 7 there, 2 3 there. That is equal to k equal to 7 by 3. That is the required value of k. Therefore, required value k equal to 7 by 3. Okay. Now listen once again. Just k comma k, that is first point. B 2 comma 3 second point. C 4 comma minus 1 third point. These 3 points are collinear, that is given. Now we find k value. So given points are collinear means what you know? The given point is collinear, then the area of the triangle ABC equal to 0. That means the given points are vertices of a triangle. You can take A, B, C are the vertices of a triangle. Then the area of the triangle is 0. So area of the triangle formula first we can apply. That is formula half into modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay, you substitute the values A point x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y2. Substitute the values and simplify. That is we get half modulus of 6k minus 14. Okay, then we know that what the given points are collinear, then the area of the triangle equal to 0. So we can equal to 0 here. Equal to 0 means half is there left side by take it right side. Multiplication is there. No, now simplification we get k value. That is the value of k equals 7 by 3. This is the third bit. Same 2 bits already there before classes we can discuss. So note down that one. Next problem. We can do it. That one, third problem.